To create an S-Pin, select User Profile on the Škoda Connect portal, then Settings and Create S-Pin. Enter your password and chosen S-Pin, confirm it, and then click on Create S-Pin. Confirm your consent with the notification by clicking on Accept. The S-Pin is then successfully created. To change your S-Pin, select Change S-Pin. Enter your original S-Pin and then twice the new S-Pin and confirm it by clicking on Change S-Pin. A message will appear confirming that the S-Pin was successfully changed. You can reset a forgotten S-Pin by choosing Forgot S-Pin. Enter your password for your user's account and enter twice a new S-Pin. The portal will generate a registration code. Select the vehicle for which you would like to reset the S-Pin. Then enter the registration code to the infotainment in your vehicle. The procedure is the same as in the case of vehicle registration. In your vehicle, click on Menu, Settings, Škoda Connect, Registration, and enter the generated code. A message appears confirming that the registration was successful.